Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the blood moon which is happening on the May 26, 2021. I am going to give you some special messages from your guardian angels, and the particular deck that I'm using is this one. Let's begin shuffling. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Too many cards. One more time. Okay. Which one do I pick? Who's calling me? Which angel is calling me? Maybe this one. Angel of balanced emotions, Sagittarius. And I like to pick up the one which is really under the cards so that I can't see which one it is. And the angel of nurturing. Okay, let's see what's going on in your life. Balanced emotions, nurturing means I think a lot of you are feeling a lack of love around this time. Maybe you guys just broke up. Maybe you guys lost somebody who was close to you. There's definitely imbalance. And that's why the angel of balanced emotions has come into picture. When you feel that way is that you're unloved and that you lost loved one and now you're alone, now you don't know what to do. The person also broke up with you, you lost your best friend also, or you lost your mother, father, or your best relative, best aunt or whoever. That is when you feel this. And that is when the angel of balanced emotion and angel of nurturing come into picture, telling you that you are surrounded by people that you love. There's a lot of love inside all of us, and we keep forgetting that. We somehow are always looking for love outside and in other people, that, oh, my boyfriend will love me more than I love myself, or my parents will love me, or I wish my best friend loves me the way I love them. So that kind of a feeling is always there. So let's see what the angel of nurturing has to say. Do you have a broken heart? So definitely a lot of you are going through breakup. Broken heart can also be a loss of job that has broken your heart, loss of loved one that was very dear to you. Are you feeling unloved? So definitely this has to, I think it's more to do with your personal life that's going on right now. Definitely the person you loved really like a lot has left you, whether that's a breakup, whether that's a divorce, whether that's a death in your family, and you are feeling like, this person has given me so much love and I don't know whether I will be able to find that love again. And now that this person is gone, there is no love in my life. I am so unloved, right? So the angel is asking you, Sagittarius, to take the time to nurture yourself and know you are loved by the divine. What did I just say? You are loved by the divine. So it's not that that person was everything. That might be important. Yes, I agree. But you have to nurture yourself first. And you're definitely loved by the divine, and there's nobody who can give you more love than the divine. Remember that. Open your heart and have more compassion for yourself and others. So definitely when things break up with a person, you guys get closed, you guys put your guards up, and you don't want to step into a new life, you don't want to start a new relationship, you don't want to meet a new person because you are so stuck on what you have lost, right? So you have to nurture yourself, you have to put your guards down again, you have to open your heart again so that you can love again. Because I believe, Sagittarius, if the person is not in your life, there has to be a good reason for it, right? Don't feel unloved. Now, I don't know whether I think this loss is a permanent loss. This breakup is an actual breakup. It's not a temporary break that you guys have right now. And that's why there's feeling of so much unloved. But you have to nurture yourself. You have to open your heart again, right? And if you feel that if some of you have not broken up, for example, you are still in that relationship, if you guys are not have given divorce to each other, and you guys are still in that relationship, But maybe that person made a mistake and you have closed your heart towards that person. You feel that this person cheated on me, so this person doesn't love me, and that's why you're not also able to love them back. Maybe this could be the situation. So whatever you're going through, the angel is asking you to open your heart again, to nurture yourself, give yourself love, make yourself feel good, compassionate, be compassionate towards yourself and others. Compassion also means forgiveness. So in case you guys have to go through that, do that as well. It also says take a long bath, drink plenty of water to nourish yourself. So do that, because I know that you guys are gonna think that it's silly, but this is not silly. This helps. This it uplifts your mood. Aromatherapy and long baths and drinking plenty of water kind of keeps you in a healthy state, and hence a healthy mind. And if a healthy mind, that can only direct you to a healthy heart, right? Then only you will be able to show compassion to others and yourself. Maybe you made a mistake, right? And you feel now that I made a mistake, nobody loves me. So that way, show compassion to yourself and others. In order to help you, there are some positive affirmations that you need to speak or say. Start saying it today and speak until the blood moon at least, which is May 26th. The affirmation is, I am cared for, loved and appreciated. My heart is open. I allow love to fill me up, body, mind and soul. I willingly nurture myself and others who truly need and want my nurturing. So maybe you guys broke up with your girlfriend or boyfriend, but you are ignoring the people in your life who love you, like your parents, right? And you are ignoring them. So nurture them, because they also need your love. Your siblings, they also need your love. Nurture them. If you guys have been divorced, then I know you hate your partner right now, but nurture your kids. They need your love. Nurture yourself. You, above all, need your love. So do that, okay? Now let's see what the angel of balanced emotion has to say. Are you having emotional upsets? Of course. Are you able to swallow what's happening in your life? Maybe the breakup took a toll on you and you're not able to swallow that this person really left me. Did they really leave me, like that? Did they never love me or what? You're kind of, it's hard for you to swallow. Maybe because this is the relationship that was ended not by you but by them. It was ended by the other side, and that's why sometimes when you are ending the relationship, I think it's sometimes easy for us to accept it, but when it's ended from the other side, it's hard for us to swallow sometimes. So maybe that's the situation. It's saying balance yourself through self-nurturing activities. Again, oh my god, these cards are so related, so related. Balance yourself through self-nurturing activities. Watch your diet, embrace your emotions. Imagine the food you eat provides all the nutrients necessary for good health. What did I say? It was the balanced emotions, and this was the nurturing. And both of them are asking you to nurture yourself. Maybe you're feeling the lack of love because you're not loving yourself, right? Maybe because you thought that that person was better than you and you gave all of your love to them. So stop that right now if you're watching this video, and start loving and nurturing yourself. It could be anything. If you're a girl, if you want to do a hair mask, or if you want to do a body mask or a body scrub or makeup or dress well, do that, because you're nurturing yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're spending time with yourself, you're focusing on yourself, right? And if you're a guy, I don't know, do whatever you like. I mean, play video games, spend time with your family, or dress well if you like dressing well too. I can't talk about the makeup, but do whatever is good for you. Read books if you want to, right? Now the affirmation that will help you get through this difficult time is, I nurture myself, I enjoy healthy foods, I explore avenues for coping with emotional upsets so I can absorb all that occurs with ease and grace. My digestive system appreciates the steps I take to balance my emotions and responds by working optimally. Beautiful, isn't it? I think both the angels are trying to tell me that you need to nurture yourself first. You have given a lot of love to other people, whether that's the person you were married to, whether you person you were in a relationship with, that you are feeling a lot of lack because that person is definitely not giving you the love that you desire right now. You guys have stopped talking, blocked each other, there's zero communication, and now you're feeling like stuck. So start with nurturing yourself. The moment you start nurturing yourself, the moment you fill yourself with love again, you will find new love, I promise. Or they will maybe come back. I don't know that. I can't promise. But yeah, love yourself, open your heart again, and you will find love for sure. Okay, so don't you worry, Sagis. You guys take very good care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. So bye bye.